you don't have to buy a new machine. You can save 400 euros.
Okay, so macam mana kami boleh save 400 euro dan tak perlu beli mesin basuh baru? Masalah mesin basuh kita orang adalah pada satu hari dia tak nak spin. So setelah kami buat research, kami dapati yang kemungkinan besar brush pada motor mesin basuh dah haus. Dan setelah kami keluarkan motor dan check, brush tu memang betul lah haus. Dan nampak dalam gambar ni, satu tu yang haus dan satu lagi tu yang kami baru beli. Harga hanya 13 euro berbanding nak beli mesin basuh baru 400 euro sekurang-kurangnya. Okey, so jom kita tengok cara kami tukarkan brush dalam motor mesin basuh.
Okay, so now we have taken out the motor for our washing machine, which is Siemens. So we suspected that there might be a problem related to the brush for our electric motor. So the brush or the brushes are located on either side of your motor. So this side and also this end. So if we turn our motor here, so this is where your pulleys are being connected to. So this is where or how your washing machine is going to be spinning. So going back to the previous one. So first you have to take out your brushes which are located on either side of the washing machine. Washing machine motor. So it is not a bit but very tricky. So you have to make sure that the parts are being fitted in properly before you try to take them out. So you can see here an example of a broken or the old brushes. You can see they have been eaten out, and these are the ones that we ordered online. So it takes only 1 day here in Germany from the order date until receiving. You can see for the new ones they are quite long compared to the ones that have been eaten up when they are in the machine or washing machine for some time. So now we have to fit them in back, and hopefully we can get our washing machine running. So before that, maybe just showing on the part number that we bought online. Motor colon par, meaning the brush pad. And then this part is coming from Bosch 00154740. Okay guys, so make sure that you try to remember the direction of the brushes before you take out. For us, this side is this one like this. This is the top side, and over there it is going to be on another direction. So we are going to fit this first in. So the one with the angle here is going to go inside. Just push it in. Okay. And now okay, so we have to cut the video a bit because it is a bit tricky to push in the coil or the wires. So the trick is for you to push the top metal and then make sure that it slides inside there. So you can see here as if you can level it up on the same level as the top metal here, then you can push the whole thing out of the bracket. But now it's the same thing. Once you push everything inside, you have to just slide inside there. And once you have done that, the top part here, you just slid it inside. Okay, so it's in, which is good. Now we have to do on the other side. Okay, so what we are doing now is that we have just installed back the wires or connected the wires back to the motor, and don't forget to also attach the ground wire as well. So this is the green color wire. So now I am mounting back the motor to the washing machine, and after this we are going to put back the pulleys here, and hopefully after that we can try the machine again and it's going to work. We have put everything back as normal, and then we only try to perform some spinning, and it works. So by changing the brush on the electric motor, it does work, and now you don't have to buy a new machine. You can save around 400 euros, and instead we only spend around 13 euros for most of the brushes. I hope this could help you guys if you have the same issues. Until then, it's done. Bye.